Alright, this is Chapter 9 Review Part 1. So feel free to pause and check your answers to see which ones you want to look over. Alright, 1 and 2, you were finding the sum or difference. So make sure for number 1 that you're distributing the negative. So you end up with 4a cubed minus 2a plus 1 minus a cubed plus 2a minus 3, and then you're just combining like terms. So you get the a cubed and the a cubed, the 2a, the negative 2a and the positive 2a, and then 1 and negative 3. So I end up with 4 minus 1 is 3a cubed. Negative 2a plus 2a is actually going to cancel, and then 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Alright, number 2, we're just adding, so p squared, negative 4p squared, negative 5p cubed, and 8p cubed. Negative 12p is sort of on its own, and then you have positive 4 and positive 5. So I end up with, remember I want to write it in descending order, so 8p cubed plus a negative 5p cubed is going to be 3p cubed. 10p squared minus 4p squared is 6p squared. Negative 12p has nothing else to combine with, and then positive 4 and positive 5 becomes plus 9. Alright, number 3, find the product. Be very careful. You cannot distribute the exponent over the addition sign. So remember, this is the same as y plus 4 times y plus 4. So now I'm either using my box or I'm foiling, but I'm multiplying everything out. So y and 4 and y and 4, I get y squared, 4y, and 16. Again, remember I have to combine my like terms, so I end up with y squared plus 8y plus 16. And then for number 4, very similar, only this time because I have a trinomial and a binomial, I'm going to make a 2 by 3 box. Okay, so I get 5s, 2s squared, 6s, and negative 5. 5s cubed, 2s squared, 30s squared, 12s, negative 25s, and negative 10. So again, just be very careful to make sure that you combine the like terms. So I have those two, and then I also have 12s and negative 25s. So then I'm left with 5s cubed. 30s squared and 2s squared is 32s squared. 12s and negative 25s is minus 13s, and then minus 10. And that's it for that one. Alright, factor the expression completely. The one on the left, since it is a binomial, I'm just factoring out the greatest common monomial factor. So again, I'm going to look at the numbers first. 6 and 12, their greatest common factor is 6. F squared, G cubed, and G, their greatest common factor is G. So if I divide by 6G, I'm left with F squared, G squared, and 2. 12G divided by 6G is 2. So that would be my final answer for that one. And then y squared minus 25, notice that that's a difference of squares. So I'm just going to get y plus 5 and y minus 5. If you forget that, you can always think about factors of negative 25 that add together to make 0, because there's a 0 y's in there. So then again, negative 5 and positive 5. But if you recognize that, that's fine. You can just write y minus 5, y plus 5.